Yo, yo, yo. What's the deal? What's happening, everybody? How is everybody doing? Excuse me. Chandru, what up? James in the house. What's the deal, everybody? Ooh, I just had some food, so I'm just a bit burpish right now. AP, what up, what up, what up? You missed yesterday's live, Chandru, because of midnight. Sorry. Will in the house, we lit. Chaitundu, what's going on? Hello. Malik, what up, man? What up, Malik? How are you? Get rich or die trying, you know. I am you, and what I see is me. Hi, yo. How to win, get rich or die trying. Let's go. Oh, Donald Trump is on his way. He actually messaged me earlier on. He is en route. The party don't start until Donald Trump arrives. So Donald, where you at, man? We're not going to start this stream until Donald Trump pulls through. Okay, we ain't going to start this stream until Donald Trump arrives. He's got a big court case going on right now. He literally has a court case. Free my guy, Mr. Trumpolini. Trumpski. Free Mr. Trump. Today we're doing recaps. So before we begin, what I need you guys to do is go to my Instagram page and look at my story in regards to US 30. Quickly. Go and check out the US 30 story that I posted. So I'm going to explain to you guys why and how that setup actually happened. Because US 30 bought off today. Remember yesterday I was telling you guys about buys on US 30? Wahid Ali. It's not giveaway time just yet, so the stream just started, man. Hold your horses, broski. People just come for giveaway, man. Like, what's that about, bro? Anyway, you can see the links. Make sure you join the Telegram, subscribe to the YouTube, and make sure you're in the Discord so we can announce that you won. Alright, make sure you're in the Discord. I repeat, you need to be in the Discord so that you can be announced to the winners. So that way you won't, your account, somebody won't pretend it's you and all that thing, you know. So winners of the giveaway will be announced in the end. So we ain't doing none of that. The stream just started. You asking about a giveaway, man. Come on. Have a little bit of respect, brother. Have a little bit of respect, man. So let me know if you guys have went onto my Instagram and watched the story, so we can proceed with this live, so I can explain to you guys literally the trade. As you can see on the chart, I was screen recording the trade as it was happening. Donald Trump has arrived. Just the man we needed. At 26, you need to increase your volume, not me. Increase your volume. The issue's on your side, broski. Anyways, if you watched it, let's get to it. We needed James, we needed Will, and we needed Donald Trump. The big three. Before we continue, the main members. Abiose, hello, hello. So let me share screen. Remember we're talking about gold yesterday. Gold is buying, guys. Gold is buying. I'm gonna buy to the sell, sell to the buy. Let's go. Don't mind me if you keep seeing me look out the window. I'm waiting for something to happen outside. So that's why I keep turning around. But don't worry, my focus is fully here. I got my eyes and my ears. But sometimes I leave my eyes and my ears that way. So yeah. Let's go. Outside 26, broski. Stop worrying about, you're worrying about the wrong things right now, man. Seriously. You're worrying about the wrong things. How can you just come here and just be asking straight thing about giveaway, man? We haven't even done a Q&A. We haven't even done the stream yet. We're only 9 minutes into the stream. I hate people that do that, man. Come on, broski. My chart is tiny because I want it to be tiny. So gold ski. Currently pushing B, but we're not worrying about gold. Gold is the least of our concern. So for those that were looking at my story, I'm going to explain the tail of US 30. All right. So this is the tail of US 30. Okay. US 30 with it. So you guys already know this setup here. You've seen it on my story. So I'm going to get into it. Right now the trade went from a 1:3 to now it's pushing all the way to a 1:13. This is to show you guys I was not capping. I was not capping. I pre-recorded everything on my Instagram. So let's go. Overall, guys, ever since Friday / Sunday, price has clearly been bullish. I need you guys to see past the lines. I know you're seeing a lot of purple lines, white lines, black lines. Just ignore the lines, yeah, and just see the charts for what they are. For those that want to know about the lines, well, you're going to be introduced to this on bootcamp, so you're taken care of, like I always say. So this is yesterday's high, yesterday's low. Boom. So Donald Trumpsky. Bro, I didn't ask before, but what strategy do you use? So the strategy I use is a little bit different. It's my own strategy mixed with what I've learned from just watching so many videos and the one course that I took, and just kind of just all meshed into just one thing. And obviously 10,000 hours of chart time. Literally 10,000 hours of watch time. Well, 10,000 screen hours. So yeah, in order to understand this entry, we need to go to like the lower time frame, 5 minute. So what I noticed today about the charts was the fact that, let's just say somewhere here, price was what you call ranging all day. And then we had a break above, we had a retest, then we had a new break. That's what happened. All right. So for those that have been consistently in these calls, well, in these streams, as you can see, we have a higher high, we have a higher low, we have a new higher high, then we have a higher low. I missed the entry down here, so I just literally went for buy stops around these areas here for price to break, retest, and just go up. All right. That's pretty much the trade explained in a nutshell. But let's go a little bit deeper. So as usual, we identify our Fibonacci. That's point number one. Point number two, we identify the break of structure, which is here. That's our second point. I get rid of the Fibonacci ski. And we'll quickly just jump into 15 and try and find our wicked zone. This wicked zone was so easy to identify. As you can see, it was right here. So price literally came all the way to the wicked zone on the 15. Then on the 5, as you can see, we came back again. So this was a no-brainer for me to just take buy stops because I missed the initial entry, but price was just pushing P. So from that point, like you guys seen on the story, so I don't have to explain too much. So my Instagram is 5p trading _ 5p trading _ that's the IG. And then from that point, price just shot up. So for those that know me, or for those that know me now, I already told you, I will usually have a line around here and then a second line around 6 o'clock. So I just call this my trading opportunity or my trading window. So anything between these zones, these two lines, the reds, I'm trading. And luckily, as you can see, this trade happened at 1:30. It literally respected the wicked zone like a motherfucker. So as you can see, at 1:30, price just shot up straight to TP. It came back to create another wicked zone, and then price is just now making what? A nice uptrend. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So even where price is at right now, there could be another potential opportunity to buy. Literally. But first, let me see what it looks like on the 15. On the 15, it still has potential. There's slight potential, yeah, for this to keep pushing. So there is no potential target because I'm just day trading here, just day to day. Just I see an opportunity, I take it. I see an opportunity, I take it. So the first trade, now it's 1:13, pushing Peasky. This opportunity here is a 1:3. But if we want to talk targets, let's go to 30 minutes and try and identify where price is going to. If it loads, price is coming up here. You see the top of this wicked zone on the higher time frame? This is where price is coming to. And we're nearly there. Simple. Simple but effective. So let me go to a clean US 30 chart without all the lines and all the gadgets and all of that, you know. Just a clean chart. So we were looking at this last week. This is our clean chart. No noise, just clean ski. It did end up going all the way to our expected target, so we don't need this no more. And we do not need this no more. So let's go to the daily and try to find some wicked zones. It's kind of hard to identify a wicked zone on the daily right now. It really is. So we're going to skip the daily just with this exception. And we're going to go to the 4 hour. So as you can see on the 4 hour, there was a nice wicked area right here. But price is, you know, respecting it, as you can see. So we're just waiting around at this moment in time just to see what's it going to do next. If we jump into the 1 hour time frame, we just hit it. So one of two things can happen from this point. As you can see, there's another wicked area that price needs to come and play with. So the bias for US 30 is bullish. So if we can get a break, a retest to the next zone, that's what we're looking for right now. Well, that's what I'm looking for. And that's basically it. Yes, Forex Gold, what's your question? What's your question? Are you concerned with Fed next week and all this data coming in weaker market than expected? No, not worried about it at all. Reason being is because we trade after the news, not before, not during, but after. So Mr. Fedman can say whatever he wants to say. He can say the market is weak. If the market is weak, we'll be weak with it. We'll go and intersell positions. A lot of people want to think because the market is weak. Yeah, if you know the market is weak, take advantage. You know? If you know these things, literally, take advantage. Because what's the point of knowing the market's weak and then, boom, it gets it. Kali817, what's your biggest payout? It doesn't matter. See, when people ask me these type of questions, it doesn't change anything. Do you get where I'm coming from? Somebody would ask me how many accounts do I have and this and this. I'm just it's not going to change you by asking me how many accounts I have. I can tell you I have 50. Oh, that pizza, that food is on the way. I don't want to miss it. I can tell you I have 50 accounts. It'll make no difference. I can tell you I only have one account. It won't change anything. Literally, it will not change nothing. So you can ask me what's my biggest payout. You might not believe me. I can tell you 50K. I can tell you 1K. So don't focus on the money side of things, guys. Focus on what I'm showing you on the screen. Because for those that come on the streams, you know. For those that come on the streams, you guys know that most of the things we're analyzing have played out. So everything outside the market, or even everything about me, it's irrelevant. My payout, irrelevant. The accounts I have, irrelevant. What's relevant is what's happening next with US 30. That's what's relevant. You dig? Yeah, so today I heard a saying that I haven't heard ever. So I'm pretty sure you guys have heard early bird catches the worm. But my guy James literally said something back, and he said early bird catches the worm, but the second mouse gets the cheese. Don't let that go over your head. So now the question is, the early bird catches the worm, which means we catch the news before it happens, and also the second mouse gets the cheese, meaning the first mouse got, trapped in the mouse trap, but the second mouse can already see that mouse is dead and the cheese is up for the taking. AKA, when you're trading the news, one mouse is dead, wait for the news to happen, boom. Anyway, that's how I understood it. So shout out to James, man, literally. Shout out to James. I'm going to start saying that. Early bird catches the worm, but the second mouse gets the cheese. Gets the cheese. Does the Wicked Zone work? Of course it works. We've been doing these streams for about 2 weeks now. And it's quite evident the Wicked Zones are wicked. If we jump into the US 30 trade I just showed you, it's already pushing P. As you can see, I told you right now, when we literally looked at it, I showed you the 2 position, and look where it's at now. It's up. It's up. Usually if I'm running 1% in profit, I'll just lock everything in. But for stream purposes, this is just education. So it's like, you know, the wicked zone. I can't say too much. I'll be exposing myself too much. If you want to know about the wicked zone, sign up for the 30-day boot camp because it's closing this week. And whoever is in the boot camp is going to get full 100% undivided attention. Every question you have, I will answer. Can't be answering questions for free now, can I? Respectfully though. Respectfully. I see there's a debate going on right now between Salim, the first mouse, because the first mouse got caught his neck snapped in the trap, and the second mouse was patient. Exactly. There's a couple of ways you can interpret it. You can interpret that saying about early bird catches the worm, second mouse gets the cheese. Yeah, man. That's the way I explained it. It's how I interpreted it. Yeah, most people focus on for their attention on the wrong places. Yes. It might piss people off when I say when you focus on money going into the market, prepare to be disappointed. Yeah, a lot of people when they think about trading, they think it's money. It's not money. It's skill and then money. You will be rewarded for the skills. So for the skills you put into the market, you get a reward. AP, when you're drawing trend lines, is it the body or the wick? It's really up to you. Like, you have to pick your poison. Literally, you have to pick your poison. It's also like when people are trading, most people focus on the dollar. They're up instead of the percentage. Exactly. Instead of the percentage, and that kills people. Think about it. If I tell you I'm 5% up, easy. 5% is good. No emotions. If I tell you I'm 5,000 up, whoa, your eyes will blow. Your heart will beat. You know? But it takes a while for people to get into the mindset of trading with percentages and pips instead of the dollar figure. So the more you keep thinking, 10,000, 1,000, 50, 100, nah. Think in percentages. For example, when somebody does a survey and they'll tell you 85% of people voted yes. 85% of people could be 4 people that entered the survey, or it could be 10, 100,000. But at the end of the day, it just summed it down to 84. You know, it's just a number. Anyways, on to the next. I got my first account. Let's go, Leo. Small details, but I need to pay attention when I start trading. Yes. What are your thoughts on what made gold drop below support? Gold will do whatever it wants to do. But I was talking to James, and basically he identified there was an order block. So literally it was just going towards an order block or liquidity, whatever you want to call it. Exactly, Salim. When you start looking at trading from a percentage point of view and start treating it like a business, it's crazy. Your decisions will be different. Shiv Shankar, early bird, watch Denzel, bro, waking up and hitting the gym. Yeah, Leo, of course, if you come back in 30 minutes, the stream will be over, but we'll be doing the giveaway. So if you have any questions, you can come back tomorrow and we continue. Forex gold, what percentage would you say emotion is to trading? More than 40%. More than 40%. In terms of psychology and losing streaks, just remember losses are part of the journey. Nothing is ever 100%. Football teams lose, but they can still make it to the top of the league and win. You know, um, that's just an example. A football team, they lose. Businesses lose money and they still become top dog. Amazon could lose money today. Somebody gets a refund from Amazon. The item didn't arrive, but guess what? Somebody just made an order to cover up that item. So, yeah. 40 people on the stream, we're growing. Soon it'll be 50, then 100, then we take over. Just like streaming, like right now, we started off with low numbers like 5, 10, 15, 20. Every time we're streaming now, we're hitting 21, 30. So it's just all about mindset. Is the glass half full or is the glass half empty? That's what you need to say to yourself. Is it half full or is it half empty? What risk to reward do you need to aim to do yearly, monthly? Any trade I enter, the minimum is 1:3. Literally 1:3. So this stream is 1 hour long. 1 hour streams every day. Don't want to take too much of your time, because we're exchanging time here, if that makes sense. I'm exchanging my time to show you and share the screen with you guys, and you're also exchanging your time to be here and watch the stream. The glass is half volume. William, you cheeky boy. It's 12 a.m. Chandru. Okay. See, look at this trade. It was rejecting, but now it was below. Now it's rejecting. And this is the beauty of trading. Patience. Pizza's almost here. But yeah, that's how the market moves. It rewards the patient and it takes money. All right, there's two things that kind of changed my outlook on trading. Two quotes, yeah? The first quote was, the market takes money from the patient, from the inpatient, and gives it to the patient. That was one. And the second one was, your stop loss is someone's entry. Don't let that go over your head. Your stop loss is someone's entry. So I'll explain that second saying a little bit differently, yeah? So now when I'm analyzing the charts, yeah? If I'm looking for a particular trade, I would watch my stop loss for a moment. Well, here's what I used to do before, actually, yeah? I'll put my stop loss in an obvious place. And that obvious place could have been an order block on the lower time frame, which is someone's entry. So yeah, like the market takes from the inpatient and gives it to the patient. And the second one is your stop loss is someone else's entry. So that's why now when we're trading, we're trying to have that perfect setup. It doesn't have to be 100% though, but let's try and make it as best as we can, So that way we're aware my stop loss is your entry, or my entry is your stop loss. That's how we trade like bosses. because bosses don't speak. Somebody asked, do you believe power hour is a thing and you can find market patterns that occur every day? Yeah, definitely. If you're in the market at the right place at the right time, if you study your patterns like bull flag, bear flag, whatever, yes, without a doubt, the answer to that is yes. FOMO hits me every time. Funny enough, there's FOMO, fear of missing out. Then there's also another FOMO, fear of losing. So it's like a double-edged sword. One person has fear of missing out, right? So they'll enter any single trade that they see because they think they're gonna fail. Then the second trader has fear of losing, so they don't enter trades. They see the perfect trade, right? I get DMs all the time. Yeah. Someone will DM me a perfect setup. Yeah. On, let's just say today's Monday. Monday was yesterday. Somebody would send me a perfect setup of a trade that hasn't happened yet. Tuesday, I'm just like, you know what? Let me check that setup that this guy sent me and just message him and be like, yo, I saw gold took off and bought just like you showed me. Did you enter the trade? Guess what they say? No, I didn't enter the trade because of blah 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 blah. So I don't get why people analyze the market, take a screenshot, send it to somebody, and not take the trade and have an excuse. And the excuse would be, I was waiting for this, I was waiting for that. But when you sent me the screenshot, you didn't tell me there's nothing you're waiting for. That is called fear of losing. That you're just afraid to lose and lose and lose and lose. So basically, the question is, how do you overcome that fear of losing? Well, you need to grow a pair of balls. That's what you need to do. You need to grow a pair of balls and just take the trade. Just take the trade. My philosophy is, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, if you see an entry and you know your gut, it'll go your way, you do your checks and balances, and by the time you finish, it's already running. Easy. Easy. I say get it, trust your gut, and worry about it. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, just grow a pair and trust your gut. Because let's not forget, guys, trading is a risky game. It's not a safe thing. Trading ain't safe. It ain't safe, man. It's not safe out here. For example, this setup I just literally showed you when the stream started. Yeah. I could have just been like, you know what? Nah, I'm not going to take the trade, or I'm not. Like, you guys literally saw me when I saw this opportunity. I just said, yo, this is a nice opportunity to enter the market. I didn't need to add anything else. I didn't need to give you any further explanation to why I'm not going to. Look, break of structure, retest, and then we're pushing P to the take profit. Simple. So, as you guys know, like I said, if the trade runs 1% profit, I go risk free. Easy. Same goes when you take a screenshot before closing. You're proud of that screenshot, but you don't take the profits. You give everything back to the markets. So, for example, if you watch my latest 2 videos, I flipped €200 into 1,000 in 2 days, right? What I'm trying to say now is, If I had fear of losing, I wouldn't have done it. You know, that's one thing. And the second thing is one of those things, it's like, yo, there's no risk, no reward. You have to do it. There's times where I'm in the trade, I just want to close it, but I don't. I let the trade do its thing. Set your stop loss, set your take profit. Let the trade do its thing. Actually, it was US 30 that I was trading, so I can even just show you exactly what was happening. So let's jump into the 15-minute time frame real quick. So this is when price was selling off like 2-3 weeks ago. Let's take a look at 2-3 weeks ago. I got involved in sales. If this thing loads. Come on. All right. Let's wait for the stream to load and then I'll explain the last thing here for you guys. Okay. Yes, my FF does support indices. So like when I was doing my little challenge, yeah, the trade I had was just a 1:3. I took what I needed to take from the market, but this trade ended up falling like so much more. Like this trade, imagine I held that trade from where it's at here all the way down to here in that one trade. That €200 would have been turned into about 10K. But guess what? I didn't. I didn't. I just saw my opportunity. I got in and I got out. Then the next day I got in and then I got out again. So yeah, it does happen. It does happen. How to add lines like that? I did these lines myself, man. One day I was just back testing. I noticed a few things about US 30. Then I just spent hours adding all these lines. I spent absolutely hours adding these lines, like from one line to the next, to the next, to the next, to the next. So at least now I know it's not gonna, it doesn't matter what time frame I'm on, the lines always work. Bing, 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 bing. So there is a high chance that US 30 is gonna continue pushing. And you guys were here to witness that. If it doesn't push, then unlucky. It is what it is. So the stream is lagging, but you can hear me just fine. So we're no longer looking at the charts. Let's just talk for a little bit, yeah? Would you say scalping and trade? Would you say scalping and trading the trend is more profitable than swing trading for one big move? Yeah. Would I prefer swing trading or day trading? I would like to day trade into a swing. Like, what I would love to do, yeah, is scalp a trade that was a potential swing, if that makes sense. I would definitely scalp a trade. I'll look for a swing trade, but I'll try to scalp that swing. Trading will work. There is no failure. It's not an option. Yes. So I'm not gonna hold you guys hostage any longer because this lag is just lagging. So let's get to the giveaway. All right. Just drop me a fire emoji if you can still hear me. I know you can't see me, but just drop a fire emoji if you can still hear me, so we can get this giveaway on the road. Oof. GBP USD done a madness. Alright, I need you guys to let me know because I don't know if you guys can hear me. Alright, Sam dropped the fire. Let's go. Okay. It's giveaway time anyway, so I was going to explain something on GU, but we'll do that tomorrow. Let's go, let's go. So you guys already know, I'm going to DM you. If I say TikTok, you know what it is. TikTok means hurry the fuck up. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. So don't forget, I need you guys to make sure you join the Discord. So that way I can announce it to the winners. So that way I can announce that, yo, here are the winners of the giveaway. So let's go. The rules are stated. Follow My Flash Funding on IG. Subscribe to My Flash Funding on YouTube. While you're there, you might as well subscribe to me to get to know me better, so I can get to know you in a way. And yeah, I'm going to pick 2 winners. As the stream is lagging, I'm just going to DM you randomly, so you could win an account. So drop your IGs, guys. Drop your IGs if you followed all the rules. Drop your IGs. Quickly. Quick, quick, quick. Drop your IGs quickly. It's crazy how people are texting now, I swear. Okay, my first target is Donald Trump. I'm gonna text you TikTok. Send me a screenshot of you in the group. TikTok, Donald Trump, TikTok. TikTok, TikTok, TikTok. Donald Trump, all eyes on you. Send me a picture of you in the Telegram. Job done. Man does not play. Man does not play. So the first winner is Yusuf Sultan 666. Brother, I think you need to change that. Change your name, man. Or is it Yusuf or is it Yosef? Okay, next person. Next person, next person, next person, next person. Dohaven. TikTok. I need to make sure you guys have joined the Discord so I can announce the winners, okay? Please, that's a main thing. That is the main thing. So the second winner is Dohaven underscore. Dohaven underscore. So what I want you guys to do now is send me your full name and email. Full name, email, and Discord username. Full name, email, Discord username. Full name, email, Discord username. The winners have been announced, guys. Thank you for joining. Tomorrow we're gonna kill it once again. Other than that, peace out and sorry for the lag, man. I'm really sorry for the lag. But further ado, thank you for coming. Peace. Dark matter. And Discord. Dohan, I need your Discord. Dohan, I need your Discord. Quickly, or else I'll select somebody else, man. I need your Discord. ASAP. Dohan, you're wasting time here, bro. What's your Discord username? If you don't give it to me, I'm gonna pick somebody else. I'm gonna give you 1 minute. People got places to be, man. Though haven't you're commenting on the YouTube stream when you should be getting me your Discord. I hate when people are sloppy like this, man. You knew you're entering the giveaway, you knew the rules, but you don't have the simple requirements. Thank you. I don't want to come across like I'm pissed off, but we're playing with people's time here. You know? Join the Discord as well, Dohan. You're not even in the Discord. I need you to join my Flash Funding Discord. You know what? I'm gonna pick somebody else, man. Cause you're not serious, broski. All right, I'm picking somebody else because Dohan, you're taking the piss here, mate. I'm picking someone else. Z8765.